Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today I'm going to show you how to reset Wemo light switch. So we've got a Wemo light switch set up and installed here, and you may need to reset your Wemo light switch if you are moving out of a house and you want to get rid of that personal information on there, or maybe you're moving into a house and you want to connect this to your new Wi-Fi router, or you got a new Wi-Fi router and you want to set it up, so you have to reset the Wemo light switch. Now, there is a little tab right here. You can't really even see that it's visible, but you're going to press down on that for 10 seconds to reset the Wemo light switch. So you don't have to remove the cover plate, but I'm going to remove it just to show you what's going on so you can understand here. Underneath that tab, you can see it says Restart, Reset Wi-Fi, and Restore. Well, this will do all of those things just by holding it down. Now, if you want to reset that Wemo light switch to factory defaults, all you're going to do is actually press down on this tab here for 10 seconds, and you're going to wait till that light starts to blink. And then once that light has completely stopped blinking and turns a different color, you're going to know that this has been erased and removed. And now that we've got that blinking red, we know that this Wemo light switch has been reset. Now we just need to wait for the light to go back to a blinking blue status to set the switch back up if we needed to. So if you wanted to add this back onto an account, you could now do so by going to your phone, using the Wemo app, and setting this up. Now, one thing to note, if you are having trouble getting your Wemo devices connected to your Wi-Fi network, make sure that if you have a dual band router, you have your 5 gigahertz mode turned off. I've had issues setting these up on my Wi-Fi router in the past, and as soon as I disabled 5 gigahertz and switched it over just to 2.4 gigahertz, this switch was able to connect to my Wi-Fi network. So if you're having problems getting your Wemo light switch connected to your Wi-Fi network, make sure that you have it set to 2.4 gigahertz because this Wemo light switch is a 2.4 gigahertz product. It will not connect to a 5G network. Now, most Wi-Fi networks have both 5G and 2.4G, so you want to make sure that you connect it to that 2.4 gigahertz and not the 5 gigahertz network because it will not connect. So thank you for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to support us, click on any of the links below. Thank you.